Okay, this is our second box opening of set 5. I believe that's from the left side, so let's just open the right side first. People do say left side is better for some reason, I'm not sure. So yeah, we'll be using scissors again, just to make it a little bit faster. Million rats. Cordage on mithril. These are so common for some reason. Let's not hide Kai's face because it's kind of pretty. Not really. Well, maybe it is for some people. Hey yo, pineapple. What am I doing? I'm mixing the piles of ears. It should be there. That should be, where's mithril? Okay, that should be there. And these comments should be like here. Okay. Okay. Now we're good. So no fault yet. One SP would be nice. Any SP. SPs are nice to pull. Another masquerade. So that's our first double R. Moving on to Stealth Dragon Curse Rat. Another million rats. Another more Como Perfect Guard. Yeah, I'm making more Como just because. Oh, PB, SP, SP, PBO. I guess I should be yelling like crazy, but since I'm not at home right now, so I can't do that. I kind of want to because I am making Shadow Paladin, and SP is nice. So what it says is close your eyes. All you can see is despair. Yes, certainly good. So that's your first SP. Moving on to the next set of, so yeah, Tiger from Mokomo. Mokomo's good time. It's ninjas, right? Who doesn't like ninjas? Everyone likes ninjas. I don't even know why they put this card in. Like, they had nothing else, so they're like, just gonna put that in. Like, okay, sure, that works. Not sure how much SPPBO is worth. I think it's like $60. No, at the end, SP is like Miracle Beauty. Look at how pretty it looks. It's certainly a piece of art. Illustrated by someone I don't know. It's a good card. Oh, Frontline Valkyrie Laurel. Oh, it's a 12k attacker. Grade 3, 12k attacker. Grade 3. 20 Nectar. Nectar is a good clan, but it's just don't like how it plays. It's like Yu-Gi-Oh all over again, especially the Musketeers. They play like their Yu-Gi-Oh decks. Take like 10 hours. No, not 10 hours, I guess, but really long. For anyways, for one turn. Yeah, they took for one turn. So now to the left side. So what's that? Okay, so there's like 4 falls on each side. That's good because they used to be like 3 and 5 sometimes. I think Bushiroad has balanced that. So 10k attacker for Neon Actor, which I don't really need. Grade 3 rare for Mokomo. No, Neon Actor, my bad. And then next up we have another URL. It looks good. I don't want to be pulling too many of them because I'm not interested in OTT. Actually. Oh, this is a really good box. I don't know how many DNs I'm going to be pulling, but this is a pretty good box. This is the best box I've ever seen. So, DN and PBOSP in one box, like a boss. So no more triple R's. So still more double R's. Nothing. Flame of Promise. I don't know why I kept calling it Flame of Hope. I think that's Airmo, right? No, the other Airmo. Oh, made on trailing rolls. A good card. Good card indeed. Oh my god, a pickup spot. Just saying you don't want to play it unless you're gonna be soul charging like crazy. Because you'll this card. It looks good. Some people play it just because it looks pretty, but I'm not sure if I can fit this in my deck. It's called Moonlight Vichwaha. Pretty card, pretty hot card. So I think that's it. I still got so many packs left though. Don't want to be opening all of them. There's gonna be nothing in them though. It was like last 5 boxes, nothing in them. Only reason I'm opening these is because I want more Burning Horns. They're like $2 rares. Can be $3 depending on how many are printed, but they're not really short printed like Blaster Blade, so it's okay. It's gonna be $2. I think I got no Burning Horns in this one. Yeah, no Burning Horns in this one. Let's see. Kind of sad. So maybe they're short printed like Blaster Blade. So anyways, this is like the best box ever. DN and PBOSP in one box. Pretty good, sir. Anyways, let's move on. Thank you for watching.